up fans, life CaityB back in a booting with another reaction video with MommaB, and we're gonna be doing a single for y'all today. So this song just dropped not long ago. Yeah, The End by Jay Lekz. I don't know what to expect of that, hey. I don't know what to expect. Because the last song the first and last, oh no, the first song we reacted with him was The Greatest Story, yeah. And then the second song we reacted was him featuring with A1, which was, can't remember the song, but I don't know. But thank you to those that have requested for us to react to this track. Appreciate it heaps. And yeah, and don't forget fam, I hope you guys like our USOMONI t-shirts. Yeah. Also USOMONI on Instagram and Facebook. Message for your order. Please support brothers out there making moves. Support our poly businesses. Yeah, USOMONI. PolyMovement. Be that. I'm not gangs people, but
peace up.
Peter my eyes,
Cut that shit out. Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Sueno.
Kreezy Visions.
Kreezy Visions, man. You've been busy. It turns out. I wish the screen was bigger. Oh, let me turn it up a bit.
Nice.
Oh, snap. How you doing?
Still with it.
Bruce Willis.
Talking all that shit.
Is that enough, guys? Is that enough?
10 of them pigs try to hold me down, but you couldn't hold shit, tell him hold this. And I'm not that way, but bruv, who's doesn't kiss for his lady's lips? Are you real? Your gang still out trying to make that kill. Because when I see him out in the field, it's mannequin challenge everyone still. Now let's blow smoke and who's tougher? Wait, let's say he breathes and then puff up. That gang more mouse, no cheddar and cheese. Them legs don't run up, but in protection they get on their knees. Hers them nuts suck up, who's still trying to say that they're better than me? Tell my man, shut up.
Ooh, shut up. Oh, look at the shots on too. Man, that's clippy.
Intense.
That's a through my spine.
What do you guys think? Comment down below.
We don't know what.
It sounds like it's to someone
he's
else.
just had enough. He just sounds like he's about ready to shoot somebody.
But he is.
Sapelu somebody.
He is good. He's good.
It's no big deal if you want to come down, but you better not dash. All these talk to real means real when you hit that gas. I don't want to hear that chat about bang. Free up the boneyard full of your gang. Say you're down and you want to come down to the windows down and you piss your pants. Say my name because don't tell lies. Say my name, better say with pride. Like who's saying I've ran from a fight? Screaming like McGregor, who the fuck is this guy? Filming is forbidden. I can't beef with them because they cheating. Keep playing villain, but in prison lad, he's still news report. They gone missing.
Fuck.
Prison lad.
Ooh.
In prison lad, there's a news report he's gone missing. Bro, I'm surprised I remembered that. I tried with all my will and my might to remember that.
But then
Oh, see, look, I already forgot what I said.
And lest we forget, when you got big lad for Jay Lekz, how can we squash beef? I don't squash no beef, cause Ross my team and get squashed in the chest. Cause you stuck in the head, inmates, they got touched in the shed. How the fuck can you talk tough from that pussy side of the fence? Pussy, it's no big deal if you wanna come down, but you better not dash. All these talk to real means real when you hit that gas. I don't wanna hear that chat about bang. Free up the boneyard full of your gang. Say you're down and you wanna come down to the windows down and you piss your pants. So who's
he's calling.
He stood on a mouse.
He's calling
him out.
Yeah.
Calling him out.
I wouldn't want to be on the other side of that fist.
I wouldn't.
what? It's still 1 on 4. But tag team, I got room for more. Mention my name, but you can never push me. Young, never played these games, young pussy. Yeah, and I'm no racist. My bullets give a fuck what your race is. Let me know where the time and the place is, bro. Anywhere, cross me on the face.
I'm no racist. My bullets give a but what your race is. Doesn't matter what race you are, you're gonna get something.
Damn. He's out there,
Bloody
man.
hell.
My bullets give a fuck what your race is. Let me know where the time and the place is, bro. Anywhere, cross me on the faces.
Man, he must have been bloody proud of this clip, man.
Free the boys, free the boys. Woo.
Bro, Kreezy Visions, bloody hell. You know what? If I ever do a clip, man,
Oh, fucking goosebumps.
yeah. Oh, whoa, you're freezing cold up in here, cuz.
Well, do you have it?
Bro, what a... If felt like watching that on a bigger screen.
He's calling them out, and he also had that play on the name.
He's had enough. He's done. He's done, cuz.
That was 214.
214? He said 104, but never. We don't want to, you know, we don't want to jump the gun, but.
I know there's that beef in the district thing too, but you gotta admit his lyrics, the way he. Oh my
Piss your pants. Man. A lot of the things I didn't get to hear because the beat was quite. My head was more stuck on the beat. But most of the bits that I did hear.
Yeah, he's really putting it out there, eh?
He's really saying that when there's a chance for the person to do what they've been talking, they haven't done it because they just. That's what it sounds
guessing
like.
it, yeah. Wow, Fams. What'd you rate it?
Bro, I give it I don't know. Oh, I would give it a.
I give it a 10.
I feel like it hasn't sunk in yet.
I give it a 10 because we're not going to base it on the past, but the way he comes through,
aggressive. I
the
like
aggressiveness,
that. And in the clip,
that. It really makes you
did it justice.
Really makes you think about and listen to what he's saying.
Even the beat, despite how loud it was, it suited it. Like.
Imagine with the bass on, because we didn't have the speaker on.
Yeah, but mind you, lucky we didn't have the speaker on because like, the bass already with the laptop on its own was pretty loud.
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
What did you rate it?
I think I give it a 9. We know we need to leave room for improvement, cuz. Leave room for improvement, you know.
That was good. That was
bloody hell. That was bloody.
Really
Kreezy Visions. Kreezy Visions. I just want to grab you and.
They've been working, because we jumped on their live not long ago, and they've been working, even though some of their crew have been stood down due to coronavirus, but man, they've been working hard.
Almost on every clip, all of the big shots, you know, they've been working on every single.
Big ups. And to this, Jay
Guys,
Lekz.
straight up, if you need someone to do your clip, Kreezy Visions.
Produced by Sueno Productions, man.
Returns our records as well.
I
can't believe how good that was. Anyways, fam, I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction.
Don't forget, please, fams, support the Poly brothers out there, Poly businesses, PolyMovement.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got the sisterhood ones. Yeah.
So there's the sisters, ones for sisters and ones for brothers. So obviously, because we're not boys, we didn't get brotherhood. But
although I'm built like one, but
I walk like one. But yeah, no one acts. But thanks, fams. I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. Thank you again to everyone that's requested.
Also thank you to Ty for and Ezra. Thank you for
Ty
always being on
Ezra.
being on ours, just trying to get this stuff out.
Yes.
Thank you.
Piggybacking on our backs. Come on, guys. You know.
We've got a whole backlog of videos to react to, and it's coming. It's coming.
Yep. Definitely, fam. So stay tuned. Yeah. Bloody hell. Yes, too good, fam. Anyways, much love. Stay safe to you guys out there. Please stay indoors if you guys are on lockdown, and especially if you're in Australia, please just stick to 2 people at a time. Don't have
family.
massive gatherings, because like don't be lame muffs like that. But yeah, fam. See you on the next clip. Bye.